What's going on, guys? I just got the new FSD update, version 14.1.4. I'm going to give my first impressions on how this drives. This is my first, I didn't get any of the other versions. This is my first version 14. So I can't wait to try out Mad Max and see how that works out. Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm about to test out version 14.1.4 for the first time. It is set to Mad Max mode, and I'm gonna head to Target and see how it parks. So right now it's gonna drive out of my driveway. Okay, nice and smooth. I like how it gets started right away. Before, it would be really slow on version 13. It just started right away. Wow, Mad Max is much faster than hurry mode. I can already tell a difference. It does not slouch at all. I noticed hurry mode in residentials would usually stay around 25. This thing just went straight to 30 miles an hour. Alright, so far everything feels pretty good. It feels very confident. Alright, handled that intersection no problem. Oh yeah, the speed profile is much better than hurry mode if you're really trying to go fast. Flying right now. Hurry mode would never go this fast. Oh wow, look at that. Just got over to pass these guys. That was a very fast reaction. Right in front of them. It's pretty smooth too. I haven't had any brake stabbing at all yet. But man, this Mad Max is no joke. When I put Target in the navigation, it was saying it would be about 13 minutes, and now Mad Max has cut it down to 8 minutes. That's pretty crazy. So you could select parking lot, charger, curbside for the parking. So I got sloth, chill, standard, hurry. I wonder what sloth mode is like. I don't want to try that right now though. It sounds too boring, too slow. Dang, this thing is cammed. Sounds crazy. Chevy SS here. Dang, the thing has a big cam. The whole car's shaking. Really smooth. Very curious to see how this is gonna park. I wonder, is it back in or is it just gonna park straight like a normal? Well, we'll see right now. So far I'm loving how this is driving. This is driving pretty much how I would drive. A bit aggressive and kind of fast, but very smooth. I wonder if it knows not to park in the, what is it, the pickup? The little drive up thing. Let's see. Alright, let's try to find a spot right now. Okay, found a spot. It looks like it's just driving right into it. Alright, seems like it's straightening itself out. Not bad, that was pretty quick too. Wow, that was awesome. First impressions, it drives a lot faster with a lot more confidence. Hurry mode was a bit sluggish. I parked too, pretty nice. I mean, I could have probably made that in one turn. It had it back up, but that was still really good. Can't wait to test this on the freeway and see how it does. Alright, heading to my next destination, which is Walmart. See how it does. I just love how you can just tap it now instead of hold it. Oh, it's hesitating. Oh, it's the guy on my left. Okay. There we go, man. Max going to pass people. It's awesome. Let's see how it handles this. There's a bit of a traffic jam up there. I need to get in that turn lane too, so I wonder if it can squeeze in or something. We'll see. Let's see if you can find me a spot. Nice filming spot, pretty close to the entrance. Parking was really good on that too. Wow, this is amazing. You don't have to drive ever again, pretty much. Huge improvement over version 13 so far.